Christmas in Portugal is about taking the family together, it's about love, it's about sharing, it's also a little bit about putting our problems aside. Because during this special time we just don't really care about the rest of the problems that we have. So we don't think about work, we don't think about if we are ill or if we are mad with someone in the family, we just get together. 1 week before Christmas we start cooking, so all the traditional dishes that we do. Starting with cod pie, going to seafood, with some pastes like fried, we call sonhos or filhos. They are all fried with sugar and cinnamon. That's all the idea that we have of Christmas is this. Even some pumpkin sweets we also have are like with corn. And so we start cooking a week before, and then on the Christmas Eve we have everything with lots of flavor, with lots of the spiced flavor of the cinnamon and the cardamom and everything else. It's just amazing. Prepare your recipes, try it once or twice. If you are doing something with spices, prepare it like 3 or 4 days before, because you'll need time to take all the spices inside of the meat or the bread or anything you're doing. It needs to take the proper flavor. And make sure that your house is ready to receive Christmas. So lots of decoration, Christmas tree, everything. It doesn't matter from where you're from, it just matters that you have something saying Christmas is here.